This is a really exciting moment for us. We're here at the Dubai Air Show to showcase the first ever electric race plane. So racing around an oval circuit around pylons, all 8 planes together, passing, weaving, winding. So it's pure motorsport and real racing.
We help building up a whole ecosystem around electrification. It can be picked up by our urban air mobility or even scaled by our bigger Airbus airplanes.
This is a really exciting beginning. It's about developing the technology and changing the world as we do it.